Dear friends, do you know that how farmers grow crops in a large field? What is their first requirement? Well, first of all, they prepare the soil for growing the crop. For that, they turn the soil and loosen it. The loosened soil helps in the growth of earthworms and microbes present in the soil. These organisms are also known as farmers' friends. They add humus to the soil. Turning and loosening of soil brings the nutrient-rich soil to the top. These nutrients are then used by the plants. Now look at this farmer. He is plowing the field. As we can see that it is made up of wood, let us see its structure. It contains a strong triangular iron strip called plowshare, and the main part of the plow is a long log of wood called plow shaft. Another tool used in plowing is a hoe. It is used for removing weeds and for loosening the soil. It has a long rod of wood, and this strong, broad and bent plate of iron works like a blade. Most of you must have seen tractors in the farms. Nowadays, plowing is done by tractor-driven cultivator, which saves both labor and time.